I too favour a strong relationship between the EU and India, but not as a geopolitical tool to challenge the rise of China in the region and the world. And that's exactly what the Americans want to do when it comes to India. And I would like to see the EU play a different role, play an independent role, and have a healthy relationship with India. And we shouldn't pretend that we're going there and engaging with them because of shared values. The truth is that Modi is a far right-wing racist. He's a nasty piece of work. But that doesn't stop us from actually engaging with India. Hopefully he won't be there forever. But the idea that we can use India as a vehicle to stop China, as if China was the baddie and India was the goodie, is absolute nonsense. The human rights record in India is much worse than it is in China. There is no comparison. The Chinese have performed miracles with challenging poverty, unheard of in humankind. They have so much to offer and we have so much to learn from them. And just if you want to compare the two, look at how both of them have dealt with COVID.